How to lock hidden photos album on iOS 16. To lock the hidden and recently deleted photos album on your iPhone, you need iOS 16 installed. iOS 16 lets you lock and unlock your hidden and recently deleted photos album with your passcode, Touch ID, or Face ID. This video tutorial shows you how to lock hidden and recently deleted photo albums on iPhone running iOS 16. To lock the hidden and recently deleted photos album, tap on the settings on the home screen. Then scroll down and select Photos. Then, scroll down and enable the Use Face ID option. Once enabled, you need to use your passcode, Touch ID, or Face ID to unlock the hidden and recently deleted photos album. Then, go to the Photos app, scroll down, and unlock the hidden and recently deleted photo albums with the biometric authentication method you have enabled. For more helpful tips like this, subscribe to the AppleTute YouTube channel.